buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are in Montclair, New Jersey, with a Yankee garret problem. Okay, so on this project we have our Yankee garret with a lower point on that area. So as we see, it's a lot of water on this section. So the solution, install another drain on that area. Once we install another drain, so it will be no more water on this area. So that's the solution. Okay, and we are ongoing with our project. So now we have the new penetration already. So what we have to install is our new downspout tube. Okay, and so let's see how it looks. All right, and okay, looks fit perfect. All right, that's it. So now we have to do all the modification and good to go. So basic is will be no more water on the Yankee garret. The solution, new drain installation. Okay, so we are ongoing. So right now we basically trying to install permanently, and we have to do a lot of modification, but we are ongoing. Okay, so after all the tests what we did it, so right now we are adding some flashing cement under the rubber, because our new flange, it will go under the rubber. That will be the permanently solution for the Yankee garret. Once we install this drain, would be no more water stay on the Yankee garret. Okay, in the meantime we have our the other technician do the leer installation. Okay, so we are ongoing with our drain installation on the Yankee garret, the solution permanently. Okay, so we have our new flange installed permanently, and we install under the all the rubber. Okay, so right here is our flange, and the flange, of course, it's sticking out right here. All right, so we can see it went all the way through the roof and sticking out on the soffit. And we have our leer, it will bring the water down. All right, so here we go, and right now we just pull it up on the leer and good to go. Okay, so we have installed our elbow. So we have our technician working on the leers and do all the modification as needed. All right, so this is the solution for this long Yankee garret. All right, because the Yankee garret, it has some like lower point, and the lower point is on this section, because it has like AC draining to the Yankee garret, and it's caused a problem, and it has lower point. And so the solution, install a new drain and leers, the solution. All right, so after all the modification, so right now we are apply the flashing cement over the all the rubber. Of course, we did all the repairs, and what we have to do now, apply the fiber glass membrane all over, and the solution permanently. Okay, so right here we have some fiberglass right by the drain. So the fiberglass, we try to make a seamless one single piece. It will give better result, so it will not crack or opening. All right, so right here we're gonna install another piece. It will go over. All right, so right here we have the bigger piece. It's go all the way up to the Yankee garret, and went up to this side, and it will look seamless, guarantee no cracks, 100%. Okay, so Our project it's completed. We have our new drain installed, permanently solution to prevent water ponding. Okay, so we seal everything. It's sealed, nice, and guarantee no more water will stay on the Yankee garret. All right. Okay, so our new drain, it's here and fully functional. All right, so and we have our lid here, and it will drain to the lower garret. All right, so this is how it looks from a little bit far away. All right, so no more problem, guarantee no more water will be on the Yankee garret, on the lower point, 100%. All right, so another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing Company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.